Here's a C4, unique specialty in classics. 1988 model year, Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. A little over 60,000, I believe it was. We'll get around to the driver's side here in a bit. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the exact miles. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter tune port injected V8, and that is paired up with a manual transmission in this particular model. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a look at this car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, considering age and miles, paint does show well. So we took a little close look at the front fascia nose cone. Bright red, 81 paint coat with the gray interior. It does have leather buckets and nicely equipped power seats at both sides. Electronic climate control. AC Delco Gold or Bose stereo system. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This particular car also has the transparent top, which is in it right there, a little smoke transparent top, and then of course the solid color to match top. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. There'll be underside pictures of this, probably close to 100 pictures of it online. Engine bay, storage compartment area, wheels and tires, as you can see, riding the chrome wheels. BF Goodrich radials. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Of course, power windows, power locks. Pull that key a second, so we don't have to listen to that. And I did mention power seat, both sides. And of course, you have your power lumbar bolsters. Give you an idea kind of what condition the seats are in. Yes, you have your kind of natural wrinkling of the leather since it's a natural hide. But overall, seats also show well. You got to consider age and miles. Not full of rips, tears, holes. Another thing you don't see is this busted away. Lots of times that kind of coating will have that busted away. Something else to notice in this, steering column, nice and firm. Sometimes from people getting in and out of the C4s, loosens up that joint in the steering column and they come loose. All right, let's fire this up. Get it run. All right, let me do an oil pressure, coolant temp, do a range, and instant fuel, because you can adjust those digital gauges up there, obviously. So you can see your coolant temp, oil pressure, range. Of course, speedometer on this side, tachometer on the other side, and here's your exact miles, a little over 60. 62,855. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also in nice shape. A little classy touch with the wood grain added. AC Delco Bose stereo system.
State Mavericks hockey action this weekend. We have the women
working. Then of course electronic climate control. AC does blow cold, FYI. Alright. And no warning indicators, by the way, would be on this window right there. Just the door ajar since I opened the door. Sounds like we got a little aftermarket exhaust, a little of a deeper throaty note coming out of that exhaust. Again, 5.7 liter TPI V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of underneath the hood, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to pop this clamshell hood open. Take a look there. Alright, here we go. Take take a look at the engine. Guess what you'd expect? An 88 C4 Corvette. You also kind of get an idea as far as tire condition. What's left of treads. Slip around to the passenger side. Let's take a peek at that. Looks good. Alright. I'm going to pause this 1 second or lower this hood and check something else.
Here we have a 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. This one has digital gauges. Oil pressure is reading 70. Coolant temperature 220. Left indicator works.
Industry and product development by understanding.
Radio works. Blower motor fan also works. Drive straight, doesn't pull. Wipers work. Acceleration is good. That's 60 miles an hour. Not feeling any vibrations or any strange noises. Check the oil temperature is 216. Oil pressure is 66 now. Volts are reading 13.6. Brakes good. Brakes straight. Corners really well.
So let's do that a second. There we go. Working order, just like you'd expect. 1988 Chevrolet C4 Coupe, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, both tops, a little over 60,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.